Hi, let's talk. Let's talk about the kind of men you should run far away from, the kind of men you should avoid. These men are not husband or boyfriend material. If you marry or date them, you are marrying or dating trouble. They are going to waste your time and stress you out. The number one on my list are men with no goals or ambition. This set of men don't even have any plan for their life. They are not goal oriented. A real man has goals. A real man is focused. A real man has plans for his future. You should always ask any man coming into your life for his plan, his goal, or ambition for his life. You have to make sure that their plan follows your own future dreams because you need to be sure that that is what you actually want in your life. You can't just follow every man. You have to pick them wisely. The next set of men I'm going to talk about are very many in our society. These men are the ones that always bring up sexual talk. Immediately they meet you. They are always like, "What are you wearing? Come and visit me." Blah, 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 blah. These ones just want your body. Someone who really likes you will fall in love with your mind and your brain first before your body. They will want to get to know you first before jumping into your body to swallow you. The next kind of guys you should avoid are the abusive ones. They are aggressive, they are always right, they have anger issues. Every adult should be emotionally mature. Everyone should know how to manage their emotions. Every man should know how to control their emotions, not their emotions controlling them. So, men that can't control their emotions are a no because what if one day they beat you to death? What if one day they beat you because of that anger? They can't even control their anger and they boom. Do you get? So avoid anyone that can lay his fingers at you. And even men that are verbally and emotionally abusive. If you meet this kind of men, you are gonna run mad. Your head is gonna be all over the place. Another kind of men you should vanish from are stingy men. Stinginess is a personality trait I don't admire one bit. I don't have any business with stingy men because I believe and I know that what a man likes, he takes care of. What a man admires, what a man values, he invests in. Men are investors. If a man is not supporting or investing in you in his own little way, by his own capability or capacity, he doesn't like you. No this and no peace. So run from stingy men. If you are enjoying this video, please like it, share with your friends, leave a comment below. What kind of men do you think we should avoid? Subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Siata Jolie and on all other social media platforms. Okay? Another set of men you should avoid are mommy's boys. Mommy's boys. Mommy Mose. Ne Mose. Ne Mose. A man should be able to make his decision independently. Any man that is always running to his mom for advice or running to his mom, "Mommy, what do you think I should do? Mommy, what should I eat today? Mommy, should I poo? Mommy, should I pee? Mommy, what do you think I should do?" Those ones are not even men. They are boys. Like it says, mommy's boy. Mommy's uma boy. Okay, let me be serious. A man that is like that is going to make you to subconsciously be in a competition with his mom. You are going to always keep competing with his mom. Even his mom will not most likely like you because you are taking her son's attention from her. So it's going to be competition upon competition upon competition upon competition with the mom, and you're not going to have any peace. You are going to be stressed out. Another kind of men you should avoid are those men that want you to get pregnant first before they marry you. These kind of men want to make sure that you're fertile before they get married to you. So what if you get pregnant and the marriage doesn't work? You're going to be forced to be a single mother by fire by force. Please don't allow anybody subject you to that. Someone shouldn't try you first. You shouldn't be on trial first before the person gets married to you. Eh? Why is someone putting you on probation? Why is someone putting you, why is someone testing you first? Testing microphone, poo poo poo. Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? I have always known that men are very intentional when it comes to marriage. They don't just marry anybody. They must see something in you before they get married to you. That is how men are built. Another one on my list is Mr. Let's Go with the Flow. Are we water? Are we river? Where are we flowing to? Listen, men are very intentional. They know what exactly they want from you. So avoid men that tell you, let's see where this leads to. Because this kind of men are going to be smashing you. And it will get to a point that you even get confused because you're like, I don't even know how to ask him what we are doing. What are we? From the beginning, that is when you should know what you people are. It is from the beginning that you should ask those questions so you know what you people are and where you people are going to. You should never ever be confused, okay? Another kind of men you should avoid are those insecure ones. Mr. Insecure. So these kind of men are very clingy. They are going to choke you. They're not going to be choking you in bed though. No, that one is even good. They're going to be choking you mentally, psychologically. They want to know your every move. They want to always be on video call with you. Not because they are missing you or they want to see your face. No, because they want to know where you're going to, where you're coming from. And the annoying thing is that most times you're even going to be arguing with them. You'll be trying to prove yourself. You're even going to be proving that, oh, I'm so faithful. Baby, I'm not cheating on you. Baby, I'm not cheating. Baby, I'm not. That's the only thing that'll be coming out of your mouth. You don't have any business with insecure people. You don't have any business with people that have not worked on their traumas. Everyone should heal their trauma. Everyone should work on themselves. Everyone should get better. Not when you're dating someone, the person is putting you on high jump. Another kind of men you should avoid are those men that say they love independent women. Stay away from dudes who praise being a workaholic. My sister, you are gonna work and work and work and work. You are gonna walk away your bum bum. Being called independent or workaholic is not a flex. You shouldn't overwork yourself as a woman. It's gonna tell on your body, it's gonna show on your body. Okay, even your health is going to be at stake. So don't be with a man that praises you for being independent, for working so hard. That's a big red flag. Let him be the one working. Be praising him for working. Be praising him for being a workaholic. Be praising him for being an independent man. Not for him to be praising you for being independent and being a workaholic. We'll start. Ew. These kind of men I want to mention now are the ones that shouldn't even see your back. They shouldn't even perceive your perfume from 1 million miles away. These ones are the ones that claim they are separated. I'm working on my divorce. I don't talk with my ex-wife. I don't live with my wife again. I don't do this thing with my wife. They even talk badly about their wives. They start telling you how bad this lady is, how this lady is the worst woman on earth. She doesn't give him peace, blah, blah, blah. Don't fall for that game. If a guy tells you he's separated, you have to look into it and be sure. Because most likely he's still living with his wife, or maybe he's just living in another city and he claims he's separated because he wants to smash, because he wants to lag. So run for your life, girl. So the next kind of men you should avoid are men that ask for money. What is your business with my money, sir? You know those kind of men that will be like, baby, can I get $100 from you? Can I get $1,000 from you? From where? Excuse you. Are you coming for my money? Oh, it's not my body. Oh, again. Oh, it's not my money. Oh, why are you looking at my money? Why are you looking at my finances, uncle? Men that ask you for money are a no, no, no. They are not just gold diggers. They are diamond diggers, and you should run far, far away from them. Another kind of men you should avoid are those men that don't answer your questions. They avoid it because they have something to hide. A man should be transparent with you, and if you ask him a direct question, he should answer you and not to be doing like this. Another kind of men you should run away from are those feminine men. For example, men that talk too much. They don't have secrets. They talk to everybody about their relationship and their marriage. They are so open with strangers, even with their friends. They don't know that some things should be left private. Some things about their lives should not be in the public domain. They don't even care. They just want to talk, 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 talk. And the more they talk and share their life, the more they get nonsense, useless advices from people. Avoid any man that talks badly about a woman's lifestyle or her body. That is not his business. That is not his cup of tea. It's not your business, sir. Mind your business. Stop putting your eyes in woman's business. Avoid men that talk about their ex or any woman they have been with in the bad light, because those kind of men are still going to talk badly about you tomorrow. Their mouth is like tap. You know how tap runs? That is how their mouth runs endlessly. Their mouth is always pouring. So those men don't have limits. So imagine when you guys break up or when you guys stop talking, how maliciously he's going to talk about you. And he's even going to paint you that, you're even the worst person. You're the one that caused it. You're the one, but he's going to paint himself like an angel. Then you now be the devil. Run. Men that talk too much just to get a woman, these men will lie just to get you. They are going to embellish things and say they have this, they've done this, just to sleep with you. If you are not seeing anything, action speaks louder than words. If you're not seeing anything, they're not showing you with actions. Show me doings. They're not showing you anything. Talk is cheap. They are just blah, 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 blah. Talking. Avoid those men that always say, oh, I want a woman that splashes water. I want a woman that is like this in bed. I want a woman that is like that in bed. Those men don't even know that a woman has to be pleased first. Like her body has to melt first before she not start producing all that water that he has in his head. Those kind of men don't even know anything about a woman's anatomy, yet they talk about things they want in a woman. They don't even know about women and a woman's body. If a man doesn't please a woman, okay, how is a woman going to bring out water? How is she going to be? It's your job as a man. It's how you handle a woman's body that's going to make her to react towards you, baby. Oh yeah, baby, I'm gonna react. You see those men that tell you how much they love you within a week, they start love bombing you. You already know that you should fly, disappear from them. They shouldn't even see you. They shouldn't even smell you at all. Because those ones, they're gonna tell you everything you want to hear. Just to see body, run for your life. Oh. Another set of men you should avoid are men that can't plan. I respect men that can plan. I respect men that know how to arrange and organize things. It is so masculine when a man takes charge and takes care of things. But those men that they'll be sending you on errand, or they'll be telling you, baby, plan this, baby, plan that. Excuse you, sir. You should plan. You should be the one to organize it. And I appear like a princess. Eh? I look pretty for you. What's that? What are you saying? Don't be lazy. Be a man. Men that tell you you look like you're too much. Oh my God, you look like trouble. Oh my God, you look like a lot. Oh, really? Wow, are you sure I can handle you? Yes, please, you can't handle me because you're weak now. You're very weak. It's because they are so insecure in themselves that they don't know how to handle a woman who is confident, a woman who knows herself, a woman who has high standard. So avoid those kind of men, because to be with them is going to make you to lower your standard. It's going to make you to go low, 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 down below. All right? You are who you are. Okay? If a guy truly likes you, he will come in and see your true self. He can't judge you by 1 second or from afar. Excuse you. This is the end of this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it, leave a comment below, share with me in the comment section the kind of men to avoid. Okay, let's talk in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, your girlfriends. They have to know these things. Their eyes have to be open. You can watch more of my videos here. Please click on either of these videos here. Bam, bam. Click here and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah.